Today, we gather here in Haridwar University to celebrate Uttarakhand Foundation Day, which is also known as Uttarakhand Sthapana Divas. It is observed in every year on 9th November. In 2000, Uttarakhand was made an official 27th state of India, out of Uttar Pradesh.
Along with celebrations, Uttarakhand Day also reminds us of our responsibility. We must protect our environment, prevent migration from villages, and promote sustainable development.
From cutting-edge research to compassionate care, pharmacists are the key liner of medication. And if we are talking about medication, how can we forget forest? So, for this exhibition, we are having AI-based fire protection system to protect our list flora.
Celebration continues honoring the spirit of innovation and research, thriving in our lands of gods and nature.
We, the wedding manager, presenting here the theme of your business leads the technology. We will focus on each and every small towns and cities in the contribution of Uttarakhand development.
As you know, agriculture is a backbone of our nation, and technology and innovation made it even more stronger than the past. In modern time, we use hydroponics for the development of plants without soil, in easy and effective way to provide all the necessary nutrients to the plant.
We, the student of nursing department here at BISTEC, are here to promote the health and eradicating illness. In this event, we hope to enlighten you all about the various healthcare preventions, patient safety, and the importance of empathy in the treatment of the patient.
As Uttarakhand government focus on the development of nursing education and services in our Uttarakhand is not about building and coursing. It is about ensuring that every patient in each corner of our hills receive compassionate and competent care.
Next, we must implement various models such as levels of illness prevention, methods of hand hygiene, comfort devices, and much more. Lastly, we want to inspire the younger minds of today's generation to not only view nursing as a job, but as a mission of the humanity and the mankind.
We, the student of computer application at BISTEC, are here to present our Uttarakhand. And we had made this project EBS robust so that our Uttarakhand becomes more cleaner, greener, and smart.
Uttarakhand, also known as Devbhoomi, is not only famous for culture and natural activities, but also going further in technical and innovation.
So, here is the solution for to showcase our innovation and creative minds, and this is for waste management.